Right, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to put the engine onto the engine stand using the M12 by 100 bolts. Stay tuned. Now, here's a question for you. How do you get an engine onto an engine stand which is there without a crane? And the answer to that is with extreme difficulty. So what we're about to watch will be sketchy as shit, but hopefully it gets the job done. So watch and maybe learn, or maybe don't learn. Either way, it's going to be fun to watch me struggle.
Just good at caring too much. I'm just good at caring too much. Is it too much to ask that you be all mine? I never was good at sharing. I'm just good at caring too much.
And that is how you get an engine on an engine stand without a crane. I really wouldn't recommend it. I didn't get it on this camera, but I got it on that camera, a little time-lapse one over there. If you're gonna do it, get a crane. Obviously I ain't got the room for one, and that's probably ridiculously stupid, but I've had to mount the engine on upside down and then literally use a lever or a bar to leave it over, but it's there now. There's a little bit of damage to the engine, but it's only stuff that we're going to be replacing anyway, so it's not too much of a hassle. But yeah, 40 quid for an engine stand, and it got on there.